Irene's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some chicken and dumplings. Alright, my chicken, I've already boiled my chicken. It's ready to go into the pot. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of butter. Well, about a tablespoon and a half of butter in there. Alright, I have my butter in here with my my potatoes. I boiled about 2 small potatoes in there. Alright, I'm starting off with 2 cups of flour in the bowl here, and I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I have about 1/4 of a stick of butter here in the cup. Alright, we're going to put add the butter into my flour. Now we're going to add my chicken broth to my flour into the mixing it up so I can make my dumplings. Okay, we're getting ready to roll my dough to make my dumplings. Okay, we're going to cut it in little squares. Cut the dough into little squares. You can cut it into any shape or any way you want it. I just kind of like to cut mine into little squares. Okay, I got my dumplings all rolled out and cut out. So I'm getting ready to drop them in the pot. Okay, the dumplings are ready. It took about an hour and a half to complete the dumplings, and this is the finished product. I made a pan of crackling bread because crackling bread goes good with chicken and dumplings. You should try it sometime. Alright, thank you all for watching.